Watch this clip to understand why you always have to trim your wick before you light your candle.
You're a person whose candles look like this or like this in your home all over. This is what I know about you. You are not a serious person. You're not a person that can be trusted. I would never give you my passport at the airport to hold for me. I wouldn't let your house sit while I go away. Because how, Sway? How are we living like this? Just soot and smoke all over the place.
He told no lies. It is so important for you to trim your wick before you light your candle and make sure you're getting a clean, burning, natural candle. I use wood wicks for my candles, so they can be a little bit high maintenance, but as you can see, they're burning low and slow, okay? You don't want a flame that's super high. It's very important, okay, when you are burning your candle, that it's not underneath any sort of draft. When there's air, it causes the flame to move back and forth. The flame starts to dance, and then you will start to see some sooting, depending on how much air the flame is getting. So you don't want that. Keep it away from a draft. You also always want to snuff your candle and not blow your candle out. When you blow your candle out, it blows the wax over the top of the wick, which could cause issues when you're trying to relight your candle. So always snuff it. And that's the beauty of having candle accessories, You just need them. They're needed. They're not just something sitting around to look pretty, right? So always snuff your candle, don't blow it. And then when it's time for you to relight your candle, you want to snip the black part off before you relight your candle. So I snipped this candle before I lit it today, and that's what I got off of it. It's just that little bitty black, piece that burns at the tip of your candle. So do that before you relight it, and make sure you have your Ivory Candle Co. match clutch to relight your candle, of course. Okay, strike it and go ahead and light your candle up. And as you can see, it's burning nicely. You got the teardrop candle flame there. It's not dancing. The flame is not too big. This way, you're not going to get any sooting or anything like that. Also, Ivory Candle Co. candles are made with cocoa apricot cream wax. So this wax is very soft. So soft. I mean, it's all natural. It's made from coconut. It's made from apricot. So it's a cocoa apricot cream wax. If you get it on your skin, it's not going to cause any irritation or anything like that. I did not make these candles to be any sort of massage candle or anything like that. But if you were to get some of the wax on your skin and it's cooled off, it's not going to do anything because it's super natural. It's super clean. If you have allergy to soy, again, there's no soy, there's no paraffin. All of the fragrances that I use are natural. There are no phthalates. There are no parabens. So completely non-toxic, clean, burning candle. Okay. I also use wood wicks, which is a natural element. They're more sustainable to use than cotton wicks. I also started to use them because I wanted to differentiate my candle brand from other candle brands on the market that use cotton wicks. Nothing wrong with a cotton wick, but I prefer to use wood. It just provides a bit of luxury for me. And they also, if you can hear, they have this crackling sound. So try to listen. Put a little bit closer. Can you hear that? It is just so soothing. Imagine yourself with a book, a glass of wine, chilling. I also love to light these before I take a bath, before I take a shower, before I meditate, before I pray, when I'm, working. The soothing sound just does something for me of the crackling wood wick. So that's a lot about Ivory Candle Co. But I wanted to give those candle care tips after seeing, Sir Man talk about how candles have the black soot around them. There are several steps that you need to take. Wood wicks, of course, I'm not gonna lie, they're a bit more high maintenance than cotton wicks. So you have to take care of them. You have to take care of your candle so that it burns properly and you don't have those issues that Sir Man talked about. I just love him. His videos are always great, how he reviews candles. Maybe one day he'll purchase an Avril Candle Co. candle and review my candle. So, anyhow, yeah, that's all about, you know, how to care for your candle. So, if you have a candle, any candle really, you really need these tools. You need a trimmer. You need a snuffer, because again, don't blow. Snuff your candle out. Always trim your wick before you light it so you can get a clean and even burn. And make sure whatever candle you're choosing, that you're choosing a natural candle. Again, if you have soy allergies, choose something like a cocoa apricot cream wax candle, because soy, some people are just allergic. So I hope you check us out. Thank you for listening. Bye, loves.